All right, everyone. Welcome to another while loop worksheet solution video. This one, we're going to be creating a program that checks if a user input greater than 1 is a prime number. So I just want to note that a prime number must have two unique factors, one and itself. So if it has any other factors, it can't be considered prime. It will be a composite number. And another little note, because of that unique property, a number 1 is not a prime number. And it actually breaks a lot of other mathematics if one is a prime number. So here we go. I'm going to set up the program and then talk about how we want to tackle this problem later on. So here we go. Input, get a number, enter a value greater than 1. So at this point, there are a lot of ways to solve this problem, but we're going to go with one of our simplest ways by relying on previous problems. We learn how to create a program that can find all the factors. What we're going to do is we're going to look at any numbers greater than 1, find the factors, and count if they only have 2 factors. And at the end, if they only have 2 factors, it is a prime number. If not, it's going to be composite. Let's try that. So, much like our factor solution, I'm going to create, for the processing and output section, a divider starting at 1. And we're going to go while our divider is less than equal to 1. I'm going to be writing this very similar to our factor finding function. Where I say if our num modulo divider, then we have a factor. So let's have a factor counter. Plus equal 1. If I want to increase that variable by 1, I need it to be declared outside of the while loop and initialize to 0. And here, after I increase that factor, I'm going to increase the divider by 1 so that I'm checking all the numbers from 1 all the way up to and including num. Let's end our while loop here. We're going to say if factor count, the very end equals 2, print that num is a prime number. Otherwise, we're going to say print num is a comp. So let's try this program here. I'm going to run it with a number 12, and it's going to say 12 is a composite number. Let's run it with 1. 1 is a composite number. Great. Let's try it with 17, and that is our prime number. There are multiple ways to do this problem, and I hope that you might have figured out other ways to do this, a better way to do it. So that is okay. This is not the only solution problem. Funnily enough, the prime number verifier is a problem that we haven't really perfected in the computer science community. So if you create a better program, might get reported. Anyways, thank you for watching. Stay classy.